PaaS Relational Database Summary. In this module, we looked at relational databases as a PaaS managed cloud-based database. In summary, we looked at the relational database. We went through an overview of the relational database concepts. We said that the relational database is based upon the relational model as defined by COD. And in this model, there is master and several slaves. Masters replicate to slave using synchronous or asynchronous replication model. The failover is achieved by making the slave or the standby into a master. The performance and scalability is achieved by having both master and slaves. The clients can talk to the master for write operations and slaves for read operations, and that's how you scale out. You also have features like backup and recovery for durability. We also looked at PaaS database server features. In this section, we looked at PaaS database as a managed database server. A cloud-based managed database server should give us the ability to launch database instances on the fly. They should also give us the ability to choose from one of many different database engines or versions and give the ability to failover, scale, backup, secure, and also connect using standard software. In terms of cost model, it's dependent upon various factors. It's dependent upon compute, it's dependent upon storage, the features that they may give you like availability, backup, security, and so on and so forth. We explicitly looked at the AWS relational database, the RDS service for MySQL. We learned that DB instance is what they call a database server instance. Multiple DB engines are available in RDS for us to choose from, including MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, and also their own custom Aurora database. You can choose from one of many DB instance sizes, all the way from tiny to extra large. You can have a choice of storage depending upon how performant you want your I/O operations to be. You can choose from multiple versions. They also have concept of major and minor versions. You can choose for automated upgrade, automated backup. There's also concepts called DB parameter groups and DB option groups that allow you to configure your database. You can also create read replicas for scaling out. You can take a snapshot of a database and you can create a database with multi-AZ or multi-availability zone capabilities so that you can have a master and a slave standby, thus achieving availability. In terms of AWS RDS service architectural capabilities, we said that you can also performance tune the DB using the parameter and option groups. Vertical scalability is done by launching bigger instances and choosing better storage. Horizontal scalability is achieved using read replicas, where the clients can read from the slaves for read-only data. You can also use multi-AZ deployment and read replicas for achieving availability and scalability. Using automated backup and snapshots, you can get durability. Connection security is also possible in AWS RDS. You can also encrypt the data using KMS, which is the key management service. The MySQL logs are also available through the console or the API. CloudWatch and SNS are used for monitoring and alerting.